In this video, I am going to show how to deposit cash in Starling Bank. Gather the cash you wish to deposit into your Starling Bank account. Make sure the bills are straightened out and in good condition. Head to a nearby Starling Bank branch that offers counter services. Make sure to bring your Starling Bank debit card with you. The bank staff will guide you to a PIN pad machine at the counter. Insert your Starling Bank debit card into the PIN pad machine. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the amount of cash you're depositing. Double-check to ensure the amount is correct. Insert the cash into the designated slot on the PIN pad machine. Make sure to follow any instructions provided by the machine. After depositing the cash, wait for a moment as the system processes your deposit. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once the deposit is processed and the money clears, you'll receive an instant notification on your mobile device. This notification will confirm that the deposited amount is now available in your Starling Bank account. Important notes. Keep in mind that cash deposit limits apply to all Starling Bank accounts. To find out your specific deposit limit, send a message through the in-app messaging service. If you're depositing more than £2,000, it's recommended to contact Starling Bank through the app to ensure that this amount falls within your limit. Additionally, check with the post office branch to confirm if they can accept such a large deposit. If you're depositing coins, please note that any coin denominations below £1 must be placed in full bags. Once your deposited money clears, which typically takes just a few minutes, you'll receive a notification on your mobile device confirming the successful deposit. To use this deposit service, make sure you have one of Starling Bank's portrait debit cards. If you're using an older card, you can request a replacement by going to the card screen on the app and selecting Cancel and Replace Card. By following these steps and keeping the important notes in mind, you can easily make a cash deposit into your Starling Bank account using their counter and PIN pad machine service.